What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Corgi AI. As you guys can see, it has hit another green candle in the last 24 hours and it is up just about 28% in the last 24 hours, currently valued at this value here. So we're going to be going through what is next for Corgi AI. And if you guys are not aware, a few days ago it pumped up like crazy and it is still fluctuating around that price range. So is it time to sell it? Is it time to buy it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024, looking at, is this a crypto worth investing into this year? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart and we are going to be drawing the Fibonacci scale. This is what I'm going to be using to do some technical analysis. So as you guys can see, the crypto right now has been, well, it's literally gone from the red zone, not the red zone, the green zone hit 2 days ago, up onto the dark green zone, into the blue zone and into the top tier level. However, since then it has taken a slight dip back into the dark green zone and right now has pumped up back into the blue zone. So we're going to be going through, will it essentially head back down into the green zone or break out into the top tier level? But we'll get into that very shortly. For now, let's hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Corgi AI, which is here in purple, as you guys can see, at 0.001403 cents. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. They are not looking too steep either, meaning this is quite realistic. So by the end of the day today, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, because of the pump that's taken place, I'm also expecting red candles in between, going for a little bit of a step back price correction and then pumping back up later on this afternoon, evening time, making it trade around 0.025 cents in value is where I'm expecting Corgi AI to be trading at by the end of the day today. So do expect it to be quite volatile, but again, what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit too steep. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction. However, due to the fact of how steep it's looking, it is not as realistic as it seems. Reason being is, yes, it's pumped up quite a bit over the last 24 hours. So the graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming 7 to 8 days. However, that is not the case guys. By the end of next week, I'm expecting Corgi AI to have dropped back down below 0.002 cents in value, potentially down to around 0.0015 cents is where I'm expecting Corgi AI to be trading at by the end of next week. But again, do expect green candles in between, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the negative side. Reason is the crypto is slightly overvalued and should be going through a price correction. Moving on to the daily chart, again we still have the blue and the orange line looking a little bit too steep to be realistic. So exact same reason as the previous chart. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late July 2024, I'm expecting Corgi AI to be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. even though I'm expecting the crypto market to be pumping and Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high, so on and so on, I am not expecting Corgiai to be following a similar pattern. In fact, I'm expecting it to drop down below 0.001 cent in value. Below that value is what I'm expecting Corgiai to be trading at by mid to late July. However, if there are any major updates to this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as I mentioned earlier on, we are currently trading in the blue zone. I am expecting it to take a dip back down into the dark green zone, going for a price correction over the next couple of days, over the next week as well, potentially dropping down around just about into the the green zone around here, and then potentially dropping back down even further down in June and July, as I am expecting it to drop down below 0.001 cent. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone down by 26% in the last 24 hours. However, because it is slowly starting to pump right now, I'm expecting the trading volume to go up higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of hours, as more and more people are likely to start trading the crypto, as it is gaining a lot more attention and hype in the crypto market, especially over the last week. It's gained near about 100%, with a major pump here on the 22nd, which was about 3 days ago, as you guys can see here. So this is where the crypto is gaining a lot of traction, then took a bit of a dip over the last few days, and right now pumping again. So it is again getting a lot more traction, and over the month it has gone up 35%, as you guys can see, with a little bit of a drop late April and early May. It has been doing nothing but dropping in value all up until a few days ago, where it pumped back up in value. So can Corgiai essentially hit the 1 cent target in 2024? A lot of people have been saying that in my DMs and my previous updates on the crypto. However, I am not expecting Corgiai to be hitting the 1 cent target anytime soon, at least not for the next 12 to 18 months. Reason being is it is not a sustainable project from the analysis that I have done. But let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are expecting this crypto to hit the 1 cent target. If not, what is the highest it can go in 2024? Let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.